And here are the answers to all the questions on journal page 308. So number one, if you use a telephone, let's say your cell phone, an average of 4 times a day, about how many times would you use it in 1 week? Well, 4 times a day, and there's 7 days in a week. So 4 times 7 would be 28 times per week. Well, for 4 weeks, you would take 28 times 4, you get 112. 52 weeks, you take 28 times 52. Now, 52 weeks, if you didn't know, is 1 whole year. There's 52 weeks in 1 year. Okay, number 2, a cup of orange juice has about 110 calories. About how many calories are in a quart of orange juice? Well, if you take 4 cups in a quart, 4 times 110 is 440. Now, you could have rounded it because it does say about. So if you did that, then you could do 100 times 4, which would be about 400. And since it wasn't, that difficult of math, I just did the real answer. Okay, pairs cost 55 cents each. What's the cost of 4 pairs? So you just take 4 times 55 cents, you get $2.20. 10 pairs times 55 cents each, you get $5.50. 18 pairs times 55 cents each is $9.90. Again, if I'm working too fast, just pause, check your work, and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, if you walk an average speed of 3.5 miles per hour, how far will you travel in 2 hours? Well, you just double it. 3.5 times 2 is 7 miles. 3.5 times 6 is 21 miles. And in a half hour, you just cut this in half, divide it by 2, and you get 1.75 miles. Okay, Michelle can run 5 miles in 35 minutes. At this rate, how long does it take her to run 1 mile? Well, if you set up a ratio to figure out the rate, we're going to do minutes. We don't know how many minutes it'll take her to run 1 mile. So it's minutes over miles. I know it's 35 minutes to run 5 miles. So we just figure out the unit rate. 35 divided by 5 is 7 miles, 7 minutes to do 1 mile. And that would be a pretty good rate in my book. All right, number 6, you had to round each to the nearest 10th. I underlined the 10th place in each number. So you go to the number behind it. That 7 is going to tell that 8 to round up. So I'd have 5.9. This 2 is going to tell the 3 to stay 3. So I'd have 0.3. 5 will round that 6 up to 7. So I'd have 9.7. This 4 is going to stay 4 because it's 0. 3.4, and then this 9 is going to round that 2 up to 3, so I'd have 93.3. Notice once you round, all of these numbers that helped it to round drop. Okay, if you put that a 0 behind there, then that shows that you rounded the 100th place. So whatever number is behind the place you're rounding drops. Any questions, let me know.